Forms and surveys are very important for collecting data. They help us understand our customers, employees, or even the general public. But let's be honest, staring at a mountain of responses can be overwhelming. Simply collecting data is just half the battle. The real magic happens when you can analyze and understand your responses. And that's where Formaloo's table view comes in. The table view is essentially a central hub for all your survey responses. It represents your data in a clear and organized format, making it easy to see what people said and identify trends. Imagine it as a giant spreadsheet specifically designed for your survey answers. But unlike a static spreadsheet, Formaloo's table view lets you interact with your data in powerful ways that we will check together in a bit. Now, let's check together how you can create a table view in Formaloo. Every form and survey that you create will have its own results and charts. Once you've collected some responses through your Formaloo survey, simply head over to the results section of the app. You can also add it yourself to a new page. Just type / to activate the command bar. From the menu that pops up, choose the table view option, and this will bring up a setup window. You'll be able to connect the table view to the specific database you want. This essentially lets you curate which survey responses you want to display in that table. Type in the title of the survey whose responses you want to show. Once you select it, the table will be created instantly, populated with all the responses you've already gathered for that survey. Now, the fun part begins. Formaloo's table view doesn't just display your data. It empowers you to interact with it in meaningful ways. Let's check some of the amazing settings you can explore in the Formaloo table. First of all, tagging responses. Organize your responses by adding custom tags. This is perfect for categorizing similar answers or flagging specific responses for further review. Let's say you're running a survey on customer satisfaction. You could tag positive responses with a thumbs up tag and negative responses with a thumbs down tag. This will help you quickly identify areas where you're excelling and areas that need improvement. Next, let's check the filtering options. Don't get overwhelmed by all the data at once. Use the filter function to focus on specific answer choices, dates, or any other criteria you choose. Zoom in on the insights that matter most. For example, if you're interested in seeing how a particular age group responded to your survey, you can filter the table view to show only responses from that age range. You can also sort your table by any column or any field that you have in the form. Want to see who gave the highest rating first? Just a click away. There's more. You can also customize your view. Not all data points are created equal. Choose which specific fields you want to see in your table view. Declutter the view and focus on the information that's most relevant to your analysis. Perhaps your survey included demographic questions like age and gender. If those aren't important for your current analysis, you can hide those columns from the table view. You can also edit individual responses directly within the table, making corrections or updates a breeze. Need to add a missing response? No problem. The table view allows you to seamlessly add new data points. And if there's a response you no longer need, you can delete it with just a few clicks. Once you've analyzed your data and made any necessary adjustments, you can easily share your findings with others. Formaloo lets you also download each response as a PDF file. This creates a professional-looking document that you can share with colleagues, clients, or anyone who needs to see the results. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful content on online surveys and data analysis. And if you have any questions about Formaloo's table view, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy Formalooing!